Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to do a recap on Jaguar Health Inc. So ticker symbol is JAGX. So basically I've been in JAGX for over a week now. So the share price has just been staggering the past couple of days, going up and down, but pretty much trading sideways. So I'm going to have a look, basically give a fundamental analysis update. So if there's any new articles, etc., that basically keep my confidence in holding my stock. And also look at a technical analysis of Jaguar Health just to see the health of the stock, to see if it's worth holding the shares that I have or selling the shares or even adding on to the current shares that I have, because I believe it's going to head to the moon. And as well as looking at the fundamental and technical analysis, I'm also going to give my price targets for Jaguar Health. Hey guys, welcome back to Investor Prime TV. David here. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment ideas, investment discussions, stock picks, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. So let's take a look at the fundamental analysis of Jaguar Health. Basically see where Jaguar Health as a company currently is and also where the stock Jagx currently is. Okay, so looking at Jaguar Health Inc., so Jagx, the last close was at $3.24. So they were pretty much up by 4%. And as the market is currently not open yet, the pre-market price is at $3.34. So currently it's looking to open 10 cents higher or 3% higher. So looking at the beta is 2.08, which is still above average, which shows there's still a lot of volatility within this stock. However, looking at the volume and the average volume, so the last traded volume was 25.1 million, but the average volume is 59.2 million. So the last trading day volume was actually lower than the average volume. This could be for a number of reasons, but I believe the main reason is because Jaguar Health's share price has made a huge move already. So a lot of people who are either pumping and dumping the stock, they're at the point where selling off so they can realize their profits and exiting the trade. So that explains the decrease in the volume, because a lot of traders have actually gotten out of this stock, which in a way I think is a positive, because the traders who have gotten out of this stock, so basically the volume has halved. So now that they've sold their shares and effectively the positions within Jagx, so now you tend to see the share price stabilize and effectively start to head upwards. Okay, so if we have a look at to see what analysts are saying, so basically to see if the view on this stock has changed. So they're currently saying that it's a strong buy, so it's still a strong buy at the moment. Okay, so if we now look at the chart of Jagx, from my last video, I used the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is pretty much still up. So nothing has changed from my last video. Okay, so I pretty much gave my support levels at the 38%, the 50%, and the 61%. So basically the $3, $2.50, and roughly $2 mark. As you can see, the share price actually fell, so you can see where a lot of people were getting out of the positions, selling off the positions, etc. So there was a small sell-off, effectively a small correction, basically to the 38% line. As you can see on the session of 20th of January, the bears actually broke that support. So they closed below the support. So at that point, tell me if the 38% was a good support. So on the session of the 21st of January, the session opened above the 38% support, or the $3 mark. So it opened around $3.37 and then it closed low at $3.10 roughly. But I was okay with this because the price closed above the support, which was a good indication that effectively it's ready or is gearing up to move, make another bullish run. So the market was effectively bullish on Friday's session and closed bullish, an indication to get in the stock. So basically seeing that this stock is going on sale, so you can effectively buy more shares at a lower price so you can build out your position. Okay, because Jagx as a stock has a lot of room to grow. You'll soon see a short squeeze, basically a huge move, a huge bullish move upwards. And I believe this stock can easily get to $10, $15 in the next coming months. So it's definitely worthwhile holding on, because looking at the pre-market is looking to open 11 cents higher. Okay, so I believe the stock is pretty much going to take off and it's going to head to the moon. So I hope everybody's got their spacesuits ready. And if you don't have any spacesuits, make sure you buy some by buying into Jagx. So I believe there's still time to get in on Jagx and hold for the long term, because there was a number of people getting worried about Jagx share price, especially with this dip, because they were looking at a lot of red candles and thinking, oh my God, maybe their account were in the negative, or seeing a lot of reds within their accounts, okay, or green, red, etc., fluctuating between the two, and they were getting worried and impatient, okay. So what I would advise to you guys, if you basically buy to hold, so if you buy into a good company, i.e. buying their shares, and you're looking to hold long term, don't be looking at the markets every day or intraday. Don't be looking, that's a mistake. Trust me, you're going to get deep in your feelings about that stock. You're going to be thinking, you're going to be doubting yourself. You're going to be thinking, oh my God, this is not working. This person told me it's going to work, or I told myself it's going to work. I got myself into this stock. Why did I get myself? You start doubting yourself, only for the worst case scenario that you get out at a loss, like, phew, that was close. All right, you start thinking, that was a close one. I'm glad I got out. Only for the next day to just, out of curiosity, check where the share price is, and the share price has doubled. Everybody, all the boys have left for the moon, but they've left you behind. And you don't want the worst case scenario. I'm not implying that you hold on to every stock you have like you're holding a bag, etc. Don't hold the bag. All right, of course, make informed decisions. But for the most part, if you believe a stock is good, a company is good, the company is healthy, they've got a lot of things in the pipework. Basically, they've got announcements to make, they've got new products coming out, they've got new demand for the products, etc. If those are the reasons to get in a stock, don't leave early. Hold on to that stock, okay? If it helps, don't look at that stock for a couple of days or anything. Just let it ride out, okay? Set your stop loss. Definitely set a stop loss where you're happy or you're okay or comfortable with that amount of loss, predefined loss, and then let it ride out, because I guarantee you most of the time those are winning trades, okay? Those are winning plays. So just ride them out, let it go up, don't worry about it, and of course be checking in with Investor Prime's updates. But all seriousness, guys, if you're getting a good stock like Jagx, ride that out. Unless there's indications telling you that, look, the bullish run is definitely over. If I get out of this trade, I'm not going to regret it. I'm going to be happy with my profit, the small profit that I make or big profit that I make, depending on when you got in on the trade. As I mentioned, I believe we're getting into a squeeze, which is ultimately going to see a huge move, a huge bullish move upwards, because there's going to be a lot of demand for this stock. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, let me know below if you're still in Jagx, if you're getting in Jagx, or if you believe Jagx wasn't moving, you got out, and you're wondering whether to get back in. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.